timers such as this one here to help you with classroom behaviour and find it quite tedious to stop and reset, then please look at the sound meter made by HP Science Resources. So what we've got here is it's linked to your microphone as any other file would be. All you've got to do is click start recording. You can adjust the sensitivity level. So at the moment we can see that everything's being registered as shouting. However, if we want it to be less sensitive, then we've just got to click this through, and you will start seeing now, as I am talking in the same volume, it's registering in a quieter tone. What you would do at the start is check this and calibrate it yourself. So as you're talking, you want this to be picking up the right loudness levels in your classroom. Given all the classrooms are different sizes and teachers' tolerances to noises will be different as well. So find the one that is quite right for you. What I do personally use this for is if I've got set tasks where students are, for example, talking about a topic where I've told them to pair up at numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 and I give them all something to talk about, I would expect the meter to be on at most the talking loudness volume. If I'm seeing anything on the shouting, then that is time they owe me back towards the end. You could also have a task where they're paired up next to someone else working through a project and you only want them to be whispering. If that's the case, then you're looking at the quiet. And obviously if you're in exam conditions or you need the task to be completely independent and silent, then you'd be expecting it to be silent. What's also built in is we've got a silent meter, which is just the inverse of a loudness meter. As the students get to the silent stage, you'll see the meter is full. So if I stop talking now, there we go. As they get louder, the meter will drop down. All of these scales on the side are all fully customizable as well. So if you wanted to say something like the best class in the world, you could put it there. You can personalize these to your class. So there's that added functionality too. What you can also do is, and I tend to run these together, as this is running at the top of the page, the students are aware that this is logging everything, and then it can either be something that's just set up at the start, explain to the students, and then you just pull it up at the end. Or it might be something that you want to show them halfway through and then address, saying we're at talking where we should be quiet. Obviously you can change the sensitivities to make it fit your desired frame. What you've also got is there's a draggable seating arrangement plan. So if I just quickly make a quick arrangement now. If only we had a classroom with this few students, but anyway. Let's imagine that this is it. If we fix the shapes, so we've got 16 students altogether. Let's say, for example, that most of the noise is coming from the students at the back, at the left, for example. What I can do is, once I've clicked Fix Shapes, I can click the circle that represents that student. And it goes through 3 different colours. So it would be green. I personally use this as the warning. Orange might be to talking to after the lesson. And a red would be further consequences. That works for all of the colours as well. If you do click the wrong person, then there is a button at the bottom to reset all the colours back to normal. And you can also reset the grid. So that's added functionality with it too. So thanks for listening.